Imagine a war where the enemy looks exactly like the civilians. For decades, our only option was to carpet bomb the entire city, hoping to kill the enemy while accidentally hurting the innocent. This was the tragedy of traditional chemotherapy. But what if we could give every soldier a digital map of the enemy's specific DNA? What if we could cut off their food, their water, and their ability to communicate, all without touching a single healthy cell? We are no longer fighting blind. This is the era of oncogenetics, and it is the most sophisticated level of the Research Codon. Welcome back to my channel. I am the Geneticist. Today in Research Codon, we are entering the battlefield of modern oncology. We've explored how we repair code and engineer cells, but today we see how those tools combine to target the most complex enemy of all, cancer. We are looking at how genomic profiling and targeted therapies are turning terminal into treatable. The first step in modern cancer warfare is comprehensive genomic profiling. We use next-generation sequencing to read the entire transcriptome of a tumor. We aren't just looking for cancer. We are looking for the specific mutations, gene fusions, and copy number changes that make that specific tumor grow. In fact, research shows that up to 83% of patients have actionable targets hidden in their code. We are moving from treating the organ to treating the mutation. Once we have the map, we use small molecule inhibitors. These are drugs designed to act like molecular snipers. If a tumor is being driven by an overactive protein or a specific gene fusion, these inhibitors lock onto that protein and shut it down. We are also using suicide gene therapy, where we deliver a gene into the tumor that essentially forces it to self-destruct. It is a level of precision that makes traditional treatments look like ancient history. But cancer is clever. It builds its own supply lines, new blood vessels, to feed itself. This is called angiogenesis. In the Research Codon, we are learning to starve the tumor. We engineer cells, like mesenchymal stem cells, to deliver anti-angiogenic agents directly into the tumor microenvironment. By switching the signals from grow to stop, we can literally wither the tumor away by cutting off its oxygen and nutrients. The final frontier is the tumor microenvironment, TME. A tumor creates a shield around itself that suppresses your immune system. We are now using personalized cell therapies to reprogram the immune cells within that environment. We turn the cells that were helping the cancer into cells that attack it. We aren't just fighting the cancer. We are reclaiming the territory it stole. This is the future of precision oncology, a smarter, cleaner, and more effective way to heal. The war against cancer is being won letter by letter, codon by codon. We are moving toward a world where a diagnosis is no longer a sentence, but a puzzle we already know how to solve. If you want to dive into the genomic profiling frameworks and the angiogenesis studies I discussed today, you can find the full research on my Telegram channel. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Research Codon. Stay curious, keep those cells dividing, and I'll see you in the next decode. See you soon.